Good morning, children. Welcome back to the science class. I hope everyone is safe at home. We have completed lesson 1 and lesson 2. So today we are going to do revision. Before starting our revision, I want everyone to check what have we done in our textbook. So open your science textbook. We have done exercise A, that is tick right the correct answer, and exercise B, unscramble the letters to find out the names of this plant in page number 11. Now in page number 12 we have done exercise C. Answer these questions. And on page number 13 we have done exercise G, that is take care of plants around you, and exercise I is the addition of some plants. So I hope everyone has completed exercise A, B, C, G and I in your textbook. Now we will just check what have we done in our science CW book. So take out your science CW book. In your science CW book, first we have written new words. Then we have written word web. Next we have written flowchart. Then we have written definitions. And last we have written answer these questions. I hope everyone has completed these all things in your CW book. If you have not completed, you have to complete it. Today we are going to do revision with multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question means one question will be given and there may be 3 or 4 answers given. You have to select one correct answer for that question. That is called multiple choice question. We also call it MCQs. So, shall we start with our revision? First question. These have hard stems. Option number A, trees. B, shrubs. C, herbs. D, climbers. So can you tell me, children, the correct answer? Yes, it is trees. So trees is our correct answer. Question 2. Small plants with many branches are called A, herbs. B, climbers. C, trees. D. Shrubs. So can you guess, children, which is the correct answer? Yes, it is shrubs. Shrubs is our correct answer. Question 3. These have soft stems. A. Trees. B. Shrubs. C. Herbs. And D. Creepers. So, which is the correct answer? Yes, it is herbs. Herbs is our correct answer. Question 4. This plant can live for hundreds of years. A. Pea plant. B. Brinjal plant. C. Banyan tree. D. Rose plant. So which is the correct answer, children? Yes, it is banyan tree. Question number 5. Identify this tree. Identify means recognize. I have given you one picture of a tree. You have to tell me which tree it is. A. Jamun tree. B. Coconut tree. C. Peepal tree. D. Banyan tree. Yes, so our correct answer is coconut tree. Now I have given you picture of a creeper. You have to identify which creeper is this. A. Watermelon. B. Pumpkin. C. Bottle gourd. D. Muskmelon. Which is the correct answer? Yes, it is bottle gourd. Very good, children. All are answering very nicely. Question number 7. Identify this plant. A. Rose plant. B. Cotton plant. C. Mehndi plant. D. China rose. Children, can you see the picture and tell me which plant it is? Yes, it is rose plant. Very good, children. Identify this herb. A. Coriander. B. Rice. C. Spinach. D. Mint. Can you identify which herb it is? Yes, it is mint. Mint is our correct answer. Now I have given you a picture of a climber. You have to identify and tell me which climber it is. A. Pea plant. B. Bean plant. C. Money plant. And D. Grapevine. Can you guess? Yes, it is grapevine. Very good, children. All are doing well. Question number 10. This plant can live for few months. A. Coconut tree. B. spinach, C. jamun, D. brinjal plant. So can you tell me children, which plant can live for few months? Yes, it is the brinjal plant. Say whether true or false. Children, now I am going to give you few sentences. We have to read the sentence and say whether the statement is true. True means correct, or false. False means wrong. Number 11. We must water the plants regularly. A. True. B. False. Children, should we water the plants regularly? Yes. If we don't water the plants regularly, the plants will die. So this statement is true. Number 12. Most plants are yellow in color. A. True. B. False. Children, have you seen most of the plants yellow in color? No. Most of the plants are green in color. So this statement is false. Number 13. Shrubs are much bigger than trees. A. True. B. False. Children, are the shrubs bigger than trees? No. They are much smaller than trees. Trees are the biggest. So this statement is false. Question number 14. Again you have to tell whether the statement is true or false. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. A. True. B. False. So, can you tell me plants are of different shapes and sizes or not? Yes. Plants can be of different shapes and different sizes. The statement is true. And last question for today. Number 15. Pea plant and rice plant can live for hundreds of years. A. True. B. False. So children, can the pea plant and rice plant live for 100 years? No. So this statement is false. Pea plant and rice plant can live only for few months. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Meet you next time in the science class. Bye bye children.